First of all, thank you for coming. Thank you for being here. It's very much appreciated. That I know some of you did a long way. So my intention for you, for the coming 2 days, is to help you know the principles of selling so good. And there are principles. It took me many years to summarize the main sales principles, axioms. And then when I understood it, you can think with the material. So that's my intention for you, to have those sales principles and to think with the material yourself, because I can teach you the words. If someone says this, you can tell him that. If someone says this, you can tell him that.
Good afternoon, Olympic Holidays. Rob speaking. How may I assist you today?
That was good. How may I assist you today? I love it. You can write it down. How may I assist you today? This is very English. I love it. But only when you have the melody behind the words, only when you have the why behind the how, you'll be able to think with the materials. So I will do both, yeah? We will go over what to say, but we will be very practical, but also like why. What's the idea? What's the principle behind it? Because the genius is the principle is making the genius, like you understand the principles. My feature as a sales trainer is that I'm updating myself, because I'm enhancing myself every year. I'm paying like lots of money on my enhancement. So it gives me the opportunity to be updated regarding all the sales techniques that there are. And I'm very updated, which means that when I'll teach you or I give you the training, I won't give you data that is not relevant. You'll get only what is relevant, only what is working, only what is applicable. You see? Which is the benefit.